Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to easily customize the display. So let's find and select the settings icon. Here let's tap display, and here we've got a couple of useful features. For example, you can choose color temperature and you can customize your color in your own way, or you can use the warm mode, cold, or you can use the default in the middle. Alright, let's tap OK. You can also use the standard eye comfort. Let's enable this mode. So you can use some blue filter to relieve the visual eyes effect. Let me disable the eye comfort. You can use also the scheduled time, so you can switch on automatically eye comfort in the exact period of time. Alright, let's go back. Here you can also, for example, use the screen resolution right here, and you can, for example, use the low resolution, or you can use very useful thing, which is the smart resolution. So you can automatically lower screen resolution to help save power. All you have to do is tap enable, and now you are using the smart resolution. Alright, let me go for the second trick. Sometimes if you had a lot of application, it is a good option to customize and to organize them in some way. So the easiest way to do it is by using the settings, choosing the display and selecting the home screen style. Here let's choose the drawer. The device is loading the new home screen, and now if you go to your home screen, you will see the apps icon right here. Let's tap apps icon, and here you've got all apps customized and organized in the alphabetic way. So here you can use your alphabet right here. You may also use the search apps or suggestions. That's it, everything is right here. So let's go next, and let me show you my favorite built-in apps in HUAWEI P Smart. Find and select the phone manager, and here you can in just a few steps speed up your device. All you have to do is choose optimize right here. The device is optimizing itself. Now your device should perform in a better way. All you have to do is tap done. You can also clean some memory by using cleanup. The phone is scanning for junk files. And you can also use the deep clean. For example, you can uninstall unused app if you would like to. All you have to do is tap on the app and choose delete. Alright, now let me show you also how to perform a virus scan in Phone Manager. Let me go back, choose virus scan. The device is performing the security scan. Let me tap OK, and in my case everything is secure, so my device doesn't have any risk or viruses. Let's tap finish. That's it, it was the Phone Manager. And now let's go for the next trick, for the next tip. Let me show you the simple mode. So let's find and select the settings again. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here let me choose simple mode. So let's enjoy the minimalistic and clean home screen with the large icons. Let's tap apply, and this is the simple mode. So here you can use this mode with the large icons, and if you would like to quit it, let's choose standard mode, tap OK. Device is quitting the simple mode, and you can use the normal way, the normal mode. So let's go for the last trick, the smart assistants. Find and select settings, scroll down and choose smart assistants. Here, for example, you can use the one-handed UI. So let's make sure the mini screen view is enabled right here, and now all you have to do is use the middle key right here and swipe it to the right or to the left. As you can see, now you can use the minimalistic and the one-handed mode right here. If you would like to quit it, let's use some outside area right here, and that's it. Let's go back. Let's also use the motion control, and here, for example, you can flip your device to mute incoming calls or mute timers and alarms. So all you have to do is just enable this feature right here. Alright, let's go back by using the back key, and you can also use the 3-finger screenshot. So let me enable this mode, and if you would like to take a screenshot, you have to swipe down on the screen with 3 fingers. Let me show you, let me do it right here, and you just capture the following screen. Just swipe down with 3 fingers. Let me do it again, and you just save the following screen. So that's it, let's go back, and everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.